Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss the botany optional subject for the mains IES, and here we go. So here the first we are going to discussing the first paper, which is of 250 marks. So here we starts. Describe the following is about 150 words. 10 there are 5 question, 10 markers. So first question is gram gram negative and gram positive bacterial cell walls, and the first B is the structure and reproduction of lichens, and first C is the heterotrichous habit in algae, and first D is the elaters and their significance, and first E is the draw the bell labeled longitudinal sectional view of the structure of mature sporangium of Anthoceros. And the second question is the of 20 markers. 2A, describe the life cycle of Puccinia graminis and Triticai with suitable sketch. And the second B is the draw illustrated account of various types of stellar structures seen in the pteridophytes. And second C is the describe the lytic and lysogenic cycle of viruses. First 2A is the 20 marker, and second 2B is the 15 markers question, and 2C is the 15 markers question. And now we move on the third A, which talk about the write the names of causal organisms, symptoms and control measure of citrus canker and the late blight of potato. And the third B is discuss about the compare and contrast the sporocarp of Marsilia and Salvinia. 15 markers. So third A is the 20 marker, and third B is the 15 markers, and third C is also the 15 marker question. Discuss the post fertilization changes with suitable diagram in Polysiphonia. And next we talk about the 4A, which what do you understand by the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature? Write its principles. 20 marker question, and briefly explain the anomalous secondary growth in Boravia and Dracaena. 15 markers. And fourth C is the right application of microbiology in medicine. 15 marker. And now we move on the section B. Here there are question 5, which talk about the describe the following in 150 words. So there are 5 question, which is 50 mark. So first 5A is talk about the plant cell tissue and organ culture, and 5B is talk about the embryo rescue in angiosperms, and 5C is classification and importance of the polyembryony, and 5D talk about the endosperm of Hostria, and 5E talk about the plants as a source of perfumery. 10 markers, each are 10 markers. And next move be on the 6A, what are the identifying floral feature, floral formula and floral diagram of the Malvaceae and Orchidaceae. And 6B talk about the write the botanical names of ethnomedicinal uses of 3 medicinally important members of each case of Solanaceae and Apiaceae. And 6th C talk about the write the botanical names and the family of the plants yielding timber, insecticides and edible oils. And next we move on the 7, which talk about the define the chloroplast and write the method of isolation and factor affecting their yields and viability. Describe the development of the male gametophyte and in angiosperms with suitable diagrams. And 7C compare and contrast the pattern of embryo development in dicots and monocots with suitable illustration. And next 8th is the discuss the primitive feature of the cycadales, why the ginkgo considered as a living fossil, and define the soma clonal variation, how are these produced, explain its application in the crop improvement. And next we will move on the 8C, which somatic hybrid and hybrid with their significance. शॉर्ट नोट्स थे जो कि टोटीपोटेंसी, प्लूरलिटी एंड डिफरेंशिएशन. तो नाउ फ्रेंड्स वी मूव ऑन द पेपर सेकेंड of optional. Here there are 5 questions, each are 10 marks. So application of proofs in the southern blotting, nuclear pore complex and its function, structure and behavior of B chromosomes, and why are overlapping gene important, discuss and describe the chi-square test and the application in the genetic study. Second is there, discuss the major steps in the signal transduction and describe the significance and uses of the following: male sterility, polyploidy and plant breeding. And next C is the transgenic technology is a breakthrough innovation justified with examples. So next is, there are two subsection in this, question number 3. Briefly describe the two theories of the chiasma formation and discuss whether the chiasmata are the cause and consequence of crossing over. And second is the, what is the antisense RNA and explain its application and describe the catalytic activity of RNA. And C section is the, does zDNA play a regulatory role, discuss critically, 20 markers. And next we move on the question number 4, which have 3 subsection. Section A talk about the explain the mode of biogenesis of peroxisomes and discuss their function. And B is the name the phytogeographical region of India which are the dominant flora of the region representing the west coast of the from Kanyakumari to Satpura ranges in Gujarat. And C is the cell cycle. Cell cycle is a ordered series of events leading to the cell replication, discuss. And in section B we will discuss the question number 5. Here there are 5 parts, each is 50 marks, each is 5 markers, and 5 into 10 10 markers, and there are 5 into 10 and 50 marks. So climatic fruits and climatic fruits and their advantage to fruit growers. तो यहाँ पर जो है वो क्लाइमेट्रिक फ्रूट्स एंड उनके एडवांटेज के बारे में पूछा गया था. और सेकंड जो है हमारा बी, उसमें मेटाबॉलिक एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर अपटेक ऑफ सुक्रोज इन एपोप्लास्टिक पैथवे. और सेकंड जो थर्ड जो है हमारा सी, उसमें पूछा गया साइनाइड रेजिस्टेंस रेस्पिरेशन इन प्लांट्स के बारे में बात किया गया. और डी जो है वो कैन इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स प्रोटेक्ट एंड सेफगार्ड फार्मर्स राइट एंड इंटरेस्ट. And E is the question, what are the causes of rise in mean atmosphere temperature and how will it influence the climate of a region. And here we move on the C, which is carboxylation and the oxygenation compete to decrease the efficiency of photosynthesis, discuss. And what is the drought escape and discuss the different strategies adopted by the plants for drought resistance. And what are the clock hypotheses, justify the importance of main photoreceptor and photo periodic induction in photoperiodism. So here these two questions are, first A, 6th A is the 15 markers and B is the 15 markers and C is the 20 markers question. And now we move on the question number 7. A, how can the two laws of thermodynamics be combined to determine the spontaneity of a reaction, also drive a relationship between the free energy and exchange and energy exchange and equilibrium constant. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ऑफ 7 marks and second part is 8 marks and total total 15 marks. And B is the what is the bioremediation and how can plant be used to detoxify the heavy metal containing industries effluents. And C is the what are the importance of the fatty acid synthase complex and discuss the growth of the fatty acid chain through the priming and elongation phase. And now we move on the question number 8. How is the solar energy trapped, fixed and transformed in a aquatic food chain? And B, how do microbes help in chemical recycling in nature for a stable community climax? And C is the eco development sequence proceed for a barren land to a climax and finally ends in a desert. Explain critically. So these are the optional subjects botany part 1 and part 2 paper. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then share, subscribe and like my channel. Okay, thank you friends.